today it's the 10th of August 2021. We have Väinönkatu 46 is bigger. We have just been to the Tex A as well. But of course, this was a small disappointment because we really were hoping for an original Baumer steer from the 1960s, but no, this is also going. But still amazing. Because these three first-room wardrobes built in 1962, turning 60 years old in the next year, 2022. Should have focus a bit. It's your number SH 10324 and the basement door is locked off here. It will be inspected in the next year, 2022 as well. Yeah. This was a dog there.
Yeah.
And this floor 3 number is in a different position.
Yeah.
1 and 2 are almost in the center. That's kind of strange.
Mm. Dit pakje wines met dat pasje.
While in there, I think it's 8, they have this 4-7 button 4-1.
Yeah.
The spare part, this is the original.
Yeah.
That's it, thank you very much for watching. I need those watches, like I said.
That's it.